in this video, I'm going to find out the force of a full system given two position vectors. I'm going to skip past how to differentiate or integrate to find the velocity or acceleration because I've done another video on that, and you can check it out in the description below. So let's now first take dr1 over dt, and we're going to obviously differentiate this to get what v1 is. So therefore, that is going to be minus sine ti plus cos tj plus 2tk. If we now differentiate this again, so d squared r1 over dt squared, it's going to give us a1, so the acceleration of this first particle. So we're going to differentiate that again, and you're going to get minus cos ti minus sine tj plus 2k. If you're unfamiliar with how to differentiate and integrate trigonometric functions, I also have a video on that, so you can check that out. We're now going to differentiate the second particle twice. So we're going to have a dr2 dt, which is going to be v2, and that is sine ti minus cos tj plus 2tk. And then we're going to do d squared r2 dt squared, which is going to give us the acceleration of this second particle. So we're going to differentiate that again, and we're going to get cos ti plus sine tj plus 2k. Now in the next step, we'll plug it in to F equals ma to find out what the full system is. Should be familiar with F equals ma. And in this situation, we have two particles. So you're going to get ma1 plus, let's say, m2a2, which is going to equal the force of the total force of the entire system. So let's do that. Let's just plug them in. So we're going to have this value of a2 and this one of a1. So you're going to get m, and let's go minus cos ti minus sine tj plus 2k plus m here, which is going to be cos ti plus sine tj plus 2k. Let's close those brackets. We can move these two m's on the outside and basically add these both together because m is common in both. So if we do that and we pull m out, you're going to get minus cos ti minus sine tj plus 2k plus cos ti plus sine tj plus 2k. And conveniently, minus cos ti plus cos ti cancels, and then we'll have minus sine tj plus sine tj, and then we're left with the 2k's. So I should probably put ft equals the force of the total system. You're going to be left with force of the total equals m 4k. That's it. You found out the full force of an entire system.